How to add or remove Assistive Touch in the Control Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the Control Center. Now in here, tap on the Add button at the top. Then you will go into an edit mode. Once you are in here, go down and tap on Add a Control. In the control list, we scroll down and go to the Motor Accessibility section. Then tap on Assistive Touch, and that will get added to your control center. After that, swipe up to close the edit mode. And in the control center, you can tap on the Assistive Touch shortcut to turn on or switch off Assistive Touch. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, if you want to remove it from the control center, simply pull down the control center, then tap on the Add button. And once you are in an edit mode, you can tap on the Remove button to remove the Assistive Touch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.